5 shocking red flags in home inspection reports that could cost you thousands. Don't get caught off guard. Knowing how to spot red flags in these reports can save you from headaches down the road. Home inspections are a key step in the buying process. They help identify issues that may not be visible during a regular viewing. Here are 5 red flags to look out for. First, structural issues. Look for foundation cracks, uneven floors, or doors that don't close properly. These can signal serious problems that can be very expensive to repair. Second, water damage. Stains on ceilings or walls, mold, or a musty smell can indicate leaks or drainage problems. If you leave this untreated, it can lead to significant repairs. Third, electric problems. Outdated wiring or insufficient electrical panels pose safety hazards. Be sure the electrical system meets current safety standards. Fourth, plumbing issues. Check for low water pressure, leaks, or slow drains. Plumbing repairs can be very expensive and disruptive, so it's important to address these early. Finally, roof damage. Missing shingles or signs of sagging could mean the roof needs replacement, which can be a significant expense. Remember, no home is perfect, but understanding these red flags can help you make informed decisions. If you're considering buying a house, having a professional home inspection and reviewing the report carefully with your agent is very important. For more tips or to discuss your home buying needs, feel free to reach out to me anytime. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more real estate tips.